13 minutes after 8 o'clock on this Saturday morning. This is Miami Beach. Courtesy of our camera from WPLG, you see winds are picking up. The outer wind field of Irma. No tropical storm force winds there yet, but they're getting close as the surf picks up on South Beach as well. Of course, South Florida beach communities evacuated this morning for good reason. Okay, it's a Category 4, 130-mile-an-hour storm as of the last update. It's interacting with Cuba, maybe even making landfall this morning. I do want to point out to this. The storm in the last update is moving due west. Now look at the forecast from the Hurricane Center. It has this turn beginning right now. Any farther jog to the west is going to shift the track west as well. And I do want to caution you that there will be continued, guaranteed adjustments to this track. It could certainly continue to slightly shift west throughout the day, and it won't take much of a shift to start to move this towards the Gulf of Mexico or maybe even our shoreline. It is going right through our area right now, but again, tropical storm force winds will extend from the east coast of Florida all the way to more than 100 miles offshore. Hurricane force winds around this red line will go 50 miles or more in either direction. So the exact track is not important, but it will shift some, and that could put some of you out of the hurricane winds or back in them, depending on how it changes through the day. There will be changes, I guarantee you that, throughout the day today as we continue to watch how Irma interacts with Cuba. There's that sharp turn we're expecting later today on the current forecast track. The Hurricane Center still thinks this could be a major hurricane in the Bay Area Sunday night into Monday, and I think that's what we should prepare for just in case. Hopefully, the westward jog will continue and we'll be dealing with something less severe. All we'll be is just over-prepared, and there's nothing wrong with that. I do also want to mention this. I know we've been showing you a lot of images from the Caribbean of the last couple of days, but I do not expect nowhere near that type of damage in Florida from the storm. This is a different area. Many places in Florida are prepared for this, both construction-wise and protection, and the storm is not that intense as it was back when it hit Barbuda and St. Martin. That's very important to remember. There's a huge difference between Category 3, 4, and 5. As soon as you jump categories, the intensity of a hurricane increases very, very quickly. So here we go through today. I want to show you this, just a few scattered thunderstorms out there. Wind still light, perfect day to prepare, a lot of scattered clouds. We'll go ahead hour by hour into Sunday morning. So this is 7:15 in the morning. You're seeing wind gusts and wind directions along with rain painted. Some showers are already possible, cloudy skies starting to turn breezy with wind gusts potentially to 44 miles an hour in Sarasota. As we work through the day, by noon, the main shield of rain from Irma begins to move in. Depending on where the center goes, the timing may be adjusted a little bit, but this is not going to change much. The rain starts to move in, whether the center is offshore or onshore already. Southern portions of our area, Sarasota County, you're going to start to get that rain by midday Sunday. And then the conditions just start going downhill through the day. With wind gusts over 60 miles an hour by 4 o'clock on Sunday possible in Sarasota and into tropical storm force in Tampa, the rain already beginning all across the area. As we go through the evening on Sunday, 8 o'clock, look at these wind gusts. Some of you, Sebring, down towards Zolfo Springs, Sarasota, Mayaca City, could see wind gusts in excess of 100 miles an hour with torrential rains falling at 1, 2, 3, 4 inches per hour. So we'll also be watching for flash flooding inland. As we go through Sunday evening, after dark, here comes the center of the storm. Again, don't really focus on where this model is pointing it. This will be adjusted, but we are seeing hurricane force wind gusts. In some cases, these could be stronger than 80 and 90 miles an hour right around midnight Sunday. The center of Irma on its current hurricane center track, that may change, then continues north, being somewhere around the Bay Area early Monday morning. The strongest winds just north of the center, so that's going to be Hernando, Pasco, and Citrus County. Your worst conditions really very early Monday morning into mid-morning Monday. Then by Monday afternoon, everything starts to shift north. By mid-morning, we're already just seeing tropical storm force wind gusts as the storm moves away. Storm surge potential lower here than in other parts of Florida because of a faster moving storm, but those of you along the coast may still see 3 to 6 feet of storm surge above high tide levels, so coastal flooding is certainly very possible, guys.
All right, thanks, Greg.